I admit a seagull in the sky is not like some major thing, but here in the desert, we don't get that many seagulls. In fact, the one we just had is hightailing it out of here. But yet, nevertheless, peace and healing is right at hand. So many clouds. This is so unlike normal here, whatever normal could be. It's so grateful to have clean and sober, drug-free. Here's some of the drugs I used to use that I'm not using anymore: meth, coke, acid, weed, Norcos, etc. Bourbon, wine, whiskey. They're all bogus crap. Pardon my French. Now, healing and staying clean, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah.